Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I want you to check out this beautiful furniture. This is done by a company called Lambright, and this is Ultra Fabrics, what you're looking at. This fabric is the same kind of fabric that's used in Tesla cars, and it's been tested over 150,000 rubs. And just want to look at this theater seating. First of all, you can just flip this bad boy down and you got some cup holders right there. Also, they've taken this space and made a beautiful, huge drawer in here, and it's got some pockets for your remotes. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us online at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about our furniture, our Lambright Furniture. Have a great day.